Hi, I am Ernest Rutherford and I'm on my way to get my fellow scientist friends. We are going to a science convention in Tallahassee. If you don't know me, I am known as the father of nuclear science. I am from Bridgewater, New Zealand, and I was born in August of 1871. I have won many prizes like the Nobel Prize in Chemistry, Copley Medal, Faraday Medal, and many more. I won a scholarship to Cambridge University and worked as a research student under Sir Joseph Thomson. I also became a professor of physics at McGill University in Montreal, Canada. I did research work at McGill University in Montreal, Canada too, until receiving a BSc degree. I was appointed to the vacant chair of physics at McGill University in Montreal, Canada. I had a BA research degree and I helped identify half-lives. Oh look, there's my friend Avogadro. Hey,
Hello, Ernest. By chance you ask what I'm doing here? Well, I'm digging. What am I digging for? Okay. Moles. My name is Emilio Avogadro. I was born on August 9th, 1776 in Turin, Italy, where I lived my whole life. Most of you probably don't know, but my full name is Lorenzo Romano Emilio Avogadro de Quarango e di Coreto. I started my own law practice when I was 20 years old, but I slowly started to transition into science. And then I became a professor at the University of Turin. Right. Now, okay, that's where I published my first book. I married Felicia Mays, and I had 6 kids. You could say we multiplied like moles. I'm most known for my hypothesis that equal volumes of different gases contain the equal number of molecules. They call that Avogadro's law, not avocado, Avogadro. The number of molecules in 1 mole is named after me, Avogadro's number, 6.022 e to the 23rd. I have done many scientific barriers and broken them all down. I'm going to enjoy the scientific conference in Tallahassee with these other scientists. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right,
Buckle up.
Let's go. There's no buckle. Now we're picking up our other friend. Hey, you in there?
Howdy, partner. My name's Michael Faraday. I was born September 22nd, 1791. I was born in a country village of Newington. It's now a part of South London. I had a tough childhood. I had 4 brothers and sisters. My family was really poor and I barely had enough food to survive. I earned money by delivering newspapers. My dad was a blacksmith. I learned how to read and write at a young age, and that's where I learned my love for chemistry. I built a generator out of old bottles and lumber. I contributed to electromagnesium and electrochemistry. I was one of the greatest scientists of the 19th century. I discovered a number of new organic compounds. I was the first to liquefy a permanent gas, and I was the first to produce electric current from magnetic field. I invented electric motors. I discovered the effect on magnesium on light, and I also discovered and named diamagnesium. Hold on, let me grab my hat.
Now we're going to pick up our scientist friends from their cottage.
God gracious, man, I'm scared to death.
Oh, hey, Ernest.
Hey, how you been?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Hi, I'm John Dalton. I was born on September 6, 1766. I lived in England and was a principal at a school before becoming a math and philosophy tutor. I then joined the Manchester Literacy and Philosophy Society. I made the Dalton atomic theory. I also made the theory that all matter is made of atoms and are invisible and indestructible. I also found that compounds are formed by a combination of two or more different kinds of atoms. After I did these studies, I also did a study about myself. I was born with a rare form of color blindness, so I decided to do a study about genetic or color blindness.
Hey, can you tell us something about you?
Sure I can. Hi, my name is Sir Joseph John Thompson. I was born on December 18th, 1856. I am an English physicist. I was born in Manchester, England. My mother's name was Emma Swindles. My father's name was Joseph James Thompson. I also had a brother. His name was Frederick Veron Thompson. My family ran an antiquarian bookshop founded by my great-grandfather. When I was young, I went to a small private schools where I discovered my talent in science. In 1870, I was admitted to Owens College at the unusual age of 14. In 1890, I married my wife, Rose Elizabeth Paget. In 1906, I was awarded the Nobel Prize. In 1897, I was the first to suggest that one of the fundamental units was more than 1,000 times smaller than an atom, suggesting that subatomic particle, now known as the electron. I discovered this through exploration on the properties of cathode rays. There it is.
Thank you. Now, we're gonna head off. Get in, boys. We're gonna head off to the conference.
We're gonna get back to Tallahassee.
Tallahassee to the conference. Come on. Get in, sir. Let's go. And we're home. We're almost in Tallahassee. My lovely lady loves. Shut! Be quiet! Hey! Over! Yeah! Go to the hill! I love hill! Only hill! Oh, check that. Yes, now we're going to pick up our other scientists from their cottage. The things we encounter while filming our video. Come on.